Add image. Rescale it. Add scroll view as a child. Remove sliders. Add and resize text. Change text color. Add button. Add second button. Change text color. Make it into prefab. Create the first script. Make it serializable. Add subclasses. Make them serializable. Add fields to them. Create gather method. Create second script. Add necessary fields. Add running method. Add showPath method and call it. Add spawn response method. Instantiate prefab in loop. Set the texts. Call show responses in showPath. Add method that changes scale and position of UI objects. Create a method that shows the next path. Add listeners to buttons. Create cleaning method. Call created methods. Create a JSON. Create the third script. Add fields. Load dialog from JSON. Call method on click. Create an object that runs dialog. Assign scripts. Assign scripts variables. And that's the final result.